Step 1 is to copy this article. Step 2 is to paste it into this free software and upload it directly to YouTube. Step 3 is to make thousands of dollars every single month on YouTube, and you can do it all for free and you don't have to show your face. This is 100% automated. This is a brand new software converting text into video. I'm gonna show you step by step where you can get thousands of free articles on hundreds of different subjects and where you can convert that text into high quality videos for free and upload them straight to YouTube, and you never have to show your face. So make sure you follow along throughout the entire video and make sure you subscribe to Online Moneymaker because we're about to get started right now. The first step is to come right here to killerplrarticles.com. That's killerplrarticles.com. And this is a website that has thousands and thousands of free articles in just about every category you can think of, such as arts and entertainment, food and beverage, self-improvement, business and economy, health and fitness, society, sports and recreation, travel and leisure, internet business. You get the point. They've even got product review articles right here. So basically what this is a gold mine of free content. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hit create an account. It just takes seconds. It's just your email, a password, and then you're in. Then you're going to want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and where it says download all these PLR articles free, hit that, and then you'll be directed back to this page right here where you can push browse categories. Now you're free to use any of these articles that you find on this website. There's thousands and thousands of them. Underneath every main category, there's a list of subcategories, and within every subcategory, there's hundreds of different articles related to it. So for instance, if I were to come to the main category of society and click on sexuality right here, I would get hundreds of different articles about sexuality, such as 7 sex tips for parents, 3D sex games, a big education. You get the point. So these are very interesting articles, and just these headlines alone are attention grabbing. So let's say I just wanted to use this one right here, Ubersexuals, the new American man. We just click on that article right here. The article will come up and we can see it's a total of 328 words, which is going to be perfect. So if we want to use this article anywhere, all we need to do is just copy it and paste it. But we want to turn this into a video that we can post to YouTube. So for that, we're going to head over to a website called invideo.io. That's invideo.io. You're going to need to go ahead and just create a free account. It's 100% free. Invideo.io essentially has ready-to-go templates, ready-to-go video templates, and they basically automate transferring text and turning it into a video. And we can see all these different templates we can use right here. Now, I will tell you that we're not really worried about the picture we see up front. We're only worried about how the words are going to appear, okay? That's what the difference is with these templates. When we choose one, we'll be able to completely customize the video frames within this template. But one thing I would suggest that you all do is come to the tutorials right here, and I would watch these. If you really want to take this to the next level and get good at this, watch these, because there is an advanced editor mode, which is a little more complicated, but you can get a lot more high quality videos out of that. But for now, just make sure we are clicked on text to video, and we're just going to go down here and pick a theme, and we want one where the headline is really out in front, like this one right here. So I'm just going to click that, okay, and it should come up, and it might have music on it. We don't want to listen to that, so I'm going to turn that down, okay? And for YouTube, we want the ratio of 16:9. If you wanted to post a video on either Instagram or Facebook, you'd use square. And if you want to do like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you want to go vertical. But since we want to post this to a regular YouTube channel, we're going to stick with wide. So we can go ahead and press use this template. So now we want to go back and grab this article that we found right here. We want to go ahead and just copy the entire thing, and then we're going to paste it back over here into this area right here. So we'll paste that, paste, and then we want to put the add the headline. This is important. We want to use the same title as this article. So Uber Sexuals, the new American man, we're gonna put that right here. And then you wanna make sure that you have this box checked, auto suggest images, videos, because this algorithm, these bots are gonna recognize what this is about, and they're gonna suggest some good videos for our video that we can use. So once that's checked, all this is in, we can hit next right here, and then it's gonna tell us to rearrange text. We wanna do that. So let's go there, and now we'll hit next. Then it's just gonna take a little bit of time to load here, probably about 30 seconds. Now once it's loaded, we can start editing. We can see that this is every scene in our storyboard right here. And right away, since I had the word Uber in there, they've suggested videos that have to do with Uber, the ride-sharing company. So we're gonna wanna change all those. Right here, we can change the text. We can do anything we want with it. We can delete parts, we can add parts. But the first thing we wanna do here is change these videos around. So what we wanna do is click on the left-hand side under video, okay? And we will get a lot of different videos that we can just drag and drop right here and replace this with. So what I would probably do is just search for, maybe sex, and just see what comes up, if anything. Maybe nothing will, because this is not a porn site. And so I just pulled over this basic video of a guy sitting here. We can see what that looks like, and this will be basically frame 1 with our title in it. So that's probably good to go. Now we can move down the line here, and this next frame, they're always going to put this in for you. This is where if you want to add your Facebook or Twitter handle or Instagram handle, you can do that right there. But for YouTube, for a YouTube video, we're going to delete this frame altogether. So we can just hit delete, yes, okay. And then we'll just keep going down the line here, and you get the point. Just all your text will be within these videos. You just want to drag over whatever video you find that fits well. From there, you can come over here and add custom music just by clicking on music, and you can just go through all the different genres they have and add something that fits. Next thing, you want to hit advanced editor right here, and this is where we can mess with the fonts of the text, the color, the font, etc., simply by pressing text right here. And this is why I said at the beginning you might want to watch those tutorials so you can get into the advanced editor option here. This will make your videos look a lot more professional, so spend maybe 10-15 minutes going through those tutorial videos. Now, one thing to remember is this is more about the text. It's more about the interesting articles that you find, more so than what's appearing on the screen. People are not really going to be paying attention to the videos. That's more or less just background. They're going to be reading these articles, and that's how you're going to get the views. So once you've got it pretty decent, you can go ahead and hit download and share. You can just download it to your computer, or you can upload it directly into YouTube straight to your channel. And now that you've got this new and exciting skill, you can go ahead and make even more money by advertising it on one of the many freelancer websites out there, such as freelancer.com or fiverr.com. You might as well. You know how to do it for free. You can convert text into video now. So go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tips, tricks, and hacks to make money online. This is Online Moneymaker.